Hi, welcome back to another Help for YouTube Creators. In this video, we are going to be talking about demonetization. Now, if you're part of the Partner Ad program, you will see these little green bubbles next to your video, and they'll be turned green when it's monetized. And sometimes you'll get where they turn yellow. And if you hover over that, it says limited or no ads. Now, when you click on this, it'll take to the monetization area of the info for the video. And it gives you a little further information here. It says there's limited or no ads due to content identified as not suitable for most advertisers. And there's also going to be a blue button down here where you can press request review. And it'll just have a place where you check mark that my video is friendly for advertisers. But then they also say here that they will only review videos with at least 1,000 views in the last 7 days. Now, it hasn't always been the case for us. Sometimes we'll get reviews the next day, even if we only have a couple hundred views. I'm not sure what they base this off of in those instances. It may just be they're less busy and they have the chance to look at more videos or something like that. But if you have this happen on your videos, make sure you look over the guidelines. So if you click this, it's a link and it'll take you to some information about their advertiser-friendly content guidelines. Now, they go over it briefly here. They have a whole bunch of links to other areas like their terms of service, the community guidelines, the AdSense program policies, etc. Now, one of the ones you definitely want to look over is the community guidelines to see, okay, what exactly is it that they are prohibiting that the advertisers do not want to see in the videos on which their ads are played. So you can scroll through here and then they go over it, they go over it briefly on each topic, and then you can press learn more and they go into it very detailed. So make sure that you've read over this and that if your video does happen to have one of these instances, YouTube is not necessarily going to take your video down, but it just may not be able to have an ad put on it. Now, if you do try to have a video monetized that is not advertiser friendly and they deem that yes, you've definitely you're not meeting one of the advertiser guidelines that they want to see, you can end up with getting a strike or getting out of the program, the advertiser program, because of that. So I also want to show you one other thing. If you have a lot of videos, sometimes your videos way back will get the limited ads on them. And instead of having to scroll through your whole entire list, if you go to view and you go to limited or no ads, you can have all of your videos sorted by that specific information. So right now we only have 2 on there. One was a live stream back in September, and we put a request and it just hasn't had enough views and enough volume for them to go ahead and look at that. And then the live stream we did tonight, they also flagged that one. So again, this doesn't mean that you're not going to have any ads at all played on it. It just means that you will have limited ads, and they don't really specify how much limited means for you. That's not information that they spell out anywhere in particular. But I hope you found this helpful. Make sure you check out my playlist and Help for YouTube Creators, and let me know if you've had this happen to you down in the comments below. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.